What's something people don't know about the birth of the universe? The story of our universe is one of the most profound and awe-inspiring tales ever told. It is a journey that takes us from the very beginning of time to the present day, and it all started with a single, almost imperceptible event. It all started with a spark. This spark was not just any ordinary spark, it was the spark of creation, the beginning of everything we know and everything we have yet to discover. A tiny spark that created everything. This spark was the seed from which the entire universe would grow, a spark that held within it the potential for all the matter, energy and life that would ever exist. In the boundless emptiness of the void, a single spark of potential energy waited, and then it ignited. This moment, known as the Big Bang, was the birth of our universe. It was an explosion of unimaginable power, a release of energy that set the stage for everything that would follow. This was the Big Bang. An explosion not just of light, but of matter, energy, and time itself. In that instant, the universe began to expand, and with it, the very fabric of space and time was created. The Big Bang was not just a moment in time, it was the beginning of time itself. In an instant, particles smaller than we can imagine sprang into existence. These particles, the building blocks of everything, began to interact and combine, forming the first atoms. It was a chaotic and violent time, but from this chaos, order began to emerge. Hydrogen and helium were born from this primal firestorm. These two elements, the simplest and most abundant in the universe, would become the foundation for all the matter that would follow. They were the first children of the Big Bang, the first building blocks of the cosmos. As the universe expanded and cooled, gravity pulled matter together, forming vast clouds of gas that swirled and condensed. These clouds, known as nebulae, were the nurseries of the stars. Within them, the first stars began to form, igniting with the same spark that had created the universe itself, birthing the first stars. These stars were massive and powerful, burning brightly and living short, dramatic lives. They were the first sources of light in the universe, the first beacons in the darkness. These giant stars lived dramatic short lives, exploding in supernova, scattering elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron across the cosmos. These elements, forged in the hearts of stars, would become the building blocks of planets, moons, and life itself. Gravity drew these remnants together again, forming galaxies. These vast collections of stars, gas, and dust became the islands of the universe, each one a unique and complex system of its own. In one such galaxy, the Milky Way, an ordinary star with its planets, emerged. This star, our Sun, would become the center of our solar system, a system that includes our home, Earth. On one of these planets, Earth, conditions were perfect for life. The right distance from the Sun, the right atmosphere, the right ingredients, all came together to create a world where life could flourish. Simple organisms evolved, eventually becoming intelligent beings capable of asking the biggest questions. From the simplest forms of life to the complexity of human consciousness, life on Earth has been a journey of discovery and wonder. From a tiny spark in the void, the universe blossomed into a magnificent living cosmos, full of wonders yet to be discovered. The story of the universe is far from over. It is a tale that continues to unfold, a journey that we are all a part of. And as it expands its journey, a story of creation from nothing remains a tale of infinite possibility. The universe is a place of endless potential, a place where anything can happen and where the story of creation continues to be written with each passing moment.